Hello and welcome to Fashion Design Council of India presents PCJ Delhi Couture Week 2013 in association with Audi, जहां इंडिया के टॉप नॉच डिजाइनर्स कर रहे हैं सेलिब्रेट couture in India। ये है इस फैशन सीजन के वो ट्रेंड सेटर्स जिनके ट्रेंडी डिजाइन्स करेंगे रूल ओवर द फैशन वर्ल्ड। इस पूरे वीक में सुनाई दी सिर्फ और सिर्फ द ब्यूटी ऑफ डिजाइन एंड द पावर ऑफ स्टाइल की गूंज, और जूम आपको ले चलेगा इस क्रेम de la crème इवेंट के ड्रीम वर्ल्ड में। Week की शुरुआत हुई with a bang when Sabyasachi opened the show with his exclusively regal creations. Sabyasachi, वो नाम जिसे इंट्रोडक्शन की जरूरत नहीं, ये है pioneer in the use of Indian textiles in a modern context. तभी तो Bollywood babes swear by his ethnic designs. Sabyasachi की डिजाइन फिलॉसफी है बेहद सिंपल, personalized imperfection of the human hand.
My collection at Delhi Couture Week is called Opium. It's very strong and heady. It has a very strong sexual undertone. It's very languid. It's very glamorous, evening wear. There are a lot of molten gold influences from the 1920s, glamour in Berlin, Prague, Russia, Paris, Bombay, Calcutta. Beautiful textiles. The biggest USP of my collection at Couture Week would definitely be the way we've treated our colors.
Sabyasachi के इन exquisite designs के बाद let's have a peep into Monisha Jaising's designs. Smart, elegant and wearable fashion है identity ace designer Monisha Jaising के designs की। मोनिशा को कहा जाता है Princess of Bohemian Luxe।
The bridal collection features softly sculpted silks, luxurious velvets and French lace, cut very close to the body, handsome prince sherwanis which are teamed with jeweled leggings, worn with silver or gold colapris. Well, the shapes are contradictory. I have rigorous shapes along with drapes. I have flowy shapes along with structured shape.
मोनिशा जैसिंग के सेंशुअस डिजाइन्स के बाद अब टर्न था मल्टीपल अवार्ड विनिंग डिजाइनर अनामिका खन्ना का, जिनका फोर्टे है कलर एंड क्राफ्ट। उनके डिजाइन्स का लुक है ग्लोबल विद एथनिक इंडियन क्राफ्ट एज हर मेनस्टे।
This collection for DCW this year, it's a bit about freedom. It's about freedom of thought. It's about freedom of expression. It's about breaking the shackles of this is how it should be. It's a beautiful organic collection which speaks a lot about nature in a very quirky sort of way. For me, it starts with India. She needs to respect where she comes from, but then she needs to be extremely international in her approach. So for me, that bride is important.
PCJ Delhi Couture Week की super shimmering, sizzling, stylish journey में अब वक्त है एक छोटे से break का. But don't go anywhere, cause break के बाद we will be having the uber gorgeous Frida Pinto and super gracious Tabu on our show. और साथ में होंगे बदतमीज दिल babe Deepika and King Khan SRK भी. So stay where you are. We'll be right back after this small break. Only on Fashion Design Council of India presents PCJ Delhi Couture Week 2013 in association with Audi. Welcome back to Fashion Design Council of India presents PCJ Delhi Couture Week 2013 in association with Audi. Audi, India's #1 luxury car manufacturer, जिन्होंने किया celebrate couture and luxury in India by exclusively unveiling Audi Sports line as a part of Audi 2014 autumn collection that exudes style, luxury and couture like never before.
Design is a very strong element of people making a buying decision towards Audi. Whether it's our vehicle design, our LED lights or various other features, the class defining interior designs, I think design has been a very important part of our brand DNA, and that it's natural that we associate with design-oriented themes. And I think how close can it be when fashion, which is purely about material design and touch and feel.
Audi presented the Varun Bahl Show at Fashion Design Council of India presents PCJ Delhi Couture Week 2013. Varun के exquisite designs है उनका trademark, a melange of vintage and antique look with the new and contemporary lines. इन designs ने किया वहाँ मौजूद हर किसी को बेहद impress.
My collection this year is not bridal. That is one of my inspirations. That in India, couture does not only mean bridal wear. I've always stuck to it and I always will because it's true. It's about freedom and yet again, not bound by any preconceived notions of couture in India. The show's called Flight, the flight of a bird. It's all about freedom. Freedom of creativity, freedom of just believing and following what you do, and not to be bound by anything.
और वरुण बहल के बाद it was Anju Modi and her mesmerizing designs. 90s से ही अंजू मोदी has been an integral part of Indian fashion and couture. उन्होंने create किया है अपने लिए एक niche international fashion में. इनके designs है incensed with passion, romance and innocent seduction. A name to reckon with. Anju Modi's designs are a style statement for the privileged.
For this particular series of DCW, I have visualized a very like a contemporary collection and I've taken Draupadi as my central character. I've taken all these elements in my collection and I started with the reds, crimsons, showing her Swayamvar period. When I'm showing the little devotional mood of Draupadi after her Chirharan. So then she goes into ochre yellows, ivories, blush colors. They are very trendy colors at the time, that's very much in fashion. Tabu, who fits the brand image very well. I think she is fabulous. The way she characterizes a person, the way she takes care of the role she emotes, I thought she will be the right person to walk for me as a showstopper.
Because it's red and gold, it's something that I'm very comfortable with, and like I said, it is really my color, and also because it stands for a lot of the qualities that Draupadi possessed. So I think it's the right color, and I think it's so much work that has gone into it. It's a great experience. Walking the ramp is always a different experience and very nice.
जहां अंजू मोदी के डिजाइन्स ने बढ़ा दी थी हार्ट बीट्स, वहीं रितु बेरी शो मेड एवरी हार्ट स्किप अ बीट जब उन्होंने किया डिस्प्ले अपना कलेक्शन दैट वाज एक्सुबरेटिंग क्लास एंड इंटरनेशनल स्टाइल दैट रेजोनेट्स ब्रांड रितु बेरी.
My collection this year is fun. It's I've called it the Punjabi rock and roll. I'm a Punjabi, and I think the Punjabis have a great way of enjoying life and celebrating every moment that they live. Every outfit that I've done is a showstopper for me, and I believe a showstopper should only be used when the showstopper reflects the collection or the mood of the designer. And my clothes are quite okay without a real showstopper.
And after Ritu Berry's international couture, बारी थी डिजाइनर एक्स्ट्रॉर्डिनेयर मनीष अरोरा की. मनीष के इंटरनेशनल डिजाइन्स ने उनको बना दिया है one of the most known Indian faces in international fashion. He is the creative director of Paco Rabanne.
It's a collection of different ideas that I had in my mind. I had goddesses in my mind. I had even the sets like the movie Navrang in my mind. And at the same time, I was thinking of tradition and techniques. So it's kind of all these things put together into one collection. We are trying to use some different fabrics, different materials like reflector, which is a strong part in the show.
और अब वक्त है एक छोटे से ब्रेक का. But don't move, because ब्रेक के बाद होगा शो पर ब्लॉकबस्टर बॉलीवुड का जलवा. Welcome back to Fashion Design Council of India presents PCJ Delhi Couture Week 2013 in association with Audi. और PCJ के glittering, shimmering, sizzling, intricate jewelry designs के साथ जब showcase हुए सत्यपाल के latest trendy designs, तो ये combination of delicate jewelry and uber stylish designs बन गया talk of the event.
We're actually showing a demi-couture line, which is the first time that someone in India has actually used this term. It's a very dreamy, monochrome, print-inspired collection, and the theme is X-ray. So all the motifs have been X-rayed and used, and we're going to have a lot of play of light and a lot of play of color, and that's going to be the base of the show.
We have showcased the Indian bridal jewelry of diamond and polki, which can be matched with the traditional cloth as well as the modern outfit.
When you wear a sherwani or a achkan, sometimes you feel uncomfortable, and because it's too closed, because a suit, you have a tie and you can open the suit and all, but I'm feeling very comfortable in what I'm wearing today. It fits me very well and it's been styled very well. So.
feeling आती है जब चल रहे you can imagine in 48 frames the sherwani flying slightly and then that. It's an amalgamation of fashion and the filminess also. So I was imagining being this Hindi film hero walking in front of so many people.
Not on high speed.
Yeah.
On high speed.
Gaurav Gupta, जिनके regal designs का USP है कि they bridge contradictory worlds and create an aura that's simply ethereal.
My collection for DCW this year is started at a point where actually I was thinking what would people be thinking of mythology and mystery 1,000 years from now. So, you know, it kind of dwells into primitive and futuristic environments. I've used a lot of sheer, which kind of gives layers to the person. It kind of has that hide and seek quality, but not in a very direct way.
What I love about it is this stunning trail that comes out on one side. You know, normally we have the trail in the back, and this one is is on the side and sort of very well balanced with a big slit on the other side. Yes, thank you. So yeah, it's just, it looks really beautiful and dramatic.
And after Gaurav, बारी थी the शहंशाह of Bollywood fashion, Manish Malhotra की. Manish Malhotra, the man responsible for giving a stylish edge to new age Bollywood.
This time the influence is very 1930s. The entire atmosphere that we are creating is like a town hall of 1930s, 1940s. For me, whether it's a long flowy kalidar, whether it's a trailing lehenga, whether it is the origin, the thought is Indian. The motifs are Indian, whether it's Zardozi or Ari embroidery, that's my Kashmiri work. Deepika suits this whole collection because, I mean, recently also we worked a lot together. I think that also this collection, which is a little old world charm, but it is very sensuous, it's very modern, is something that I think Deepika would really look good in.
I think with this, I think the fact that it's Victorian, but at the same time it's still very classic in Indian. He hasn't moved away entirely, and I think that's always nice for a bride, no? To not keep doing the same thing, but to keep it in the same sort of look, but still make it look slightly different.
इसी के साथ खत्म होता है हमारा ये स्पेशल एपिसोड. फॉर द बेस्ट इन फैशन, स्टाइल, ट्रेंड्स एंड बॉलीवुड देखते रहिए Zoom, इंडियाज नंबर 1 बॉलीवुड चैनल.